Nowadays, you hear a lot about digital marketing. Why? Mainly because a lot is going on in this industry. Things are changing very fast. We're getting distracted from every angle. Technology is evolving. Consumer behaviors are shifting by the minute. What's popular today might not be the next month. All of this is creating a big challenge for e-commerce businesses and their digital marketers. How do you keep up with everything? Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Let's Talk Success. Today, we are going to talk about digital marketing and the different marketing channels that you should be focusing on in your online strategy. Digital marketing is a subset of marketing that is used to promote a brand or product using one or more electronic technologies. The goal is to influence target consumers in taking action. The power of digital marketing is phenomenal. You can reach millions of users within hours and a couple of clicks. Now that's true power, available to anyone. So stop giving yourself excuses and get back to work. Remember the day when Steve Jobs introduced the first iPhone? We truly believe that's when digital marketing became a lot more challenging and fun. Users are no longer consuming content while sitting. They're now doing it on the go or while multitasking. We're no longer watching TV the same way we used to. It's now been replaced by YouTube or Netflix. We're no longer listening to the radio like we used to. It's been replaced by podcasts or Spotify. We're no longer reading newspapers like we used to. It's now been replaced by emails, apps, and websites. That's where digital marketing comes into play. The only way to reach prospects these days and be able to market your product is by utilizing the different digital marketing channels. And these channels are content marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. Suppose you want to set up a digital campaign for your e-commerce website. First, you will create content like blogs, videos, infographics, or case studies to create awareness in your audience for your products and services. This is content marketing. Next, you'll want to reach the audience and make your content visible to them. The first step is to create the content on specific search keywords relevant to the target audience. Have credible websites linking to your content. This is the process of creating backlinks. Now, your website will rank on the first page. You will want to optimize more and more until your website ranks at the first position without spending any money. This is SEO, search engine optimization. If you're looking for immediate short-term results and you simply can't wait for search engines to rank you, it usually takes 3 to 6 months to see significant traffic from SEO. SEM or paid search, PPC, will be the perfect channel for you. Google AdWords is a great way to target search queries on Google.com, and it is among the leading paid search channels you should be focusing on. Next, you'll want to reach a larger audience. You will use social media networks like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram to advertise the brand's products or services with videos or images. Posting regularly on Facebook or Instagram is only part of the solution. You must include paid social media as part of your strategy since social networks are making it harder to reach your audience without paying. That's social media marketing. Now you will have people visiting your website, but that's not enough to convert them to your customers. You will need a retargeting strategy. Retargeting might be considered invasive, but if done right, it can truly help e-commerce stores convert shoppers into actual customers. One of the ways we can achieve this is by doing email marketing. Email is not dead. We're simply using it differently. Emails play a huge role in the customer shopping experience. You remind your customers of their abandoned shopping cart. Users might email questions about products or general information requests about your company. You send out digital invoices by email and so much more. At this point, you will have visitors on your website, and now you want to increase the traffic. Work with affiliates by giving them an incentive for sales they bring to your online store. Building an engaged affiliate network will certainly boost your overall marketing campaigns by helping spread the word online. This is called affiliate marketing. If you want us to explain each type of marketing in depth, please comment down below. If you want your e-commerce business to succeed in this competitive digital age, make sure you leverage these channels. Thank you for watching this video. If you found any value out of it, make sure to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. See you on the other side. Take care.